happy birthday, Francesca. Sengel chokahe. As your eldest sister, I am wishing you all the best things in life, and I will try my best to support you and to guide you in everything that you really wanted to happen in your life. Gusto ko lang sana is for you to follow your dreams, and we wanted to tell you now, we really, really love you. That's why we are doing all these things for you. Happy birthday! I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Cheska. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Sana yung course na pinili mo is gusto mo, mas gusto mo. Follow your dreams and gawin mo yung mga gusto mo. And I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! A heart, heart, heart. Ganito.
Because you come from different sides. You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. You are my universe, and you make my whole life inside. My universe, my universe, my
Jessica, happy birthday. Tulad ng payo namin ng mami, magtapos muna ng pag-aaral para maging maayos yung buhay nyo. Kayo din ang tutulong sa sarili nyo. Kaya pagbutihin nyo sa college nyo, decide ka na kung anong course at saan school ka mag-aaral. Yan. Mahal ka namin ng mami.
Happy birthday! Advance ba to? Belated yan. Wag na si Chuchu. Wala na si Chuchu na. Yun na. Masaya ka ba? Huwag na umiyak, pumapangit ka. Kung maganda ako na. Halika ba kita? Halika na kita.
my universe.
Happy birthday, Cheska!
Happy birthday, Cheska!
Cheska, ito tayong big party mo. Alam mo na maiyakan si Mal, pero love ka namin. Lahat ang ginagawa namin para sa'yo. Yung mga dreams mo, kailangan ipagpatuloy mo yung magandang bunga ng pag-aaral mo. Andito kami ni Daddy lagi para supportahan ka. Mahal ka namin ng buong pamilya. Tatandaan mo yan. We love you.